I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Tuesday, April 2nd. And let's look at a couple companies that you're probably familiar with if you travel at all. One's Avis, the other's Hertz. Look, this looks to me not like a blow-off top, but just maybe a little bit of a climax high. You can see the stock traded on pretty high volume. Let's go over to Hertz. You can see what? Both of these have been on fire. I mean, they've really been moving nicely. And the reason is Hertz gave some really bullish long-term earnings guidance. So what happened? Well, the stock's been moving up. It's been moving up because buyers have been more aggressive than sellers. Okay, little pullback yesterday. Then all of a sudden today, they come out with this news. So all the folks that were buying here, they decided to buy some more? No. This is the last gasp. This is the folks who'd been waiting to buy, or they just were looking for something to buy, and then they saw the news and said, oh, I'll go ahead and get Hertz before anybody else does. So what happens? The stock gaps up in the morning. It's flopping around here a little bit. The open and close right basically in the middle of the range. So this is a standoff. Well, here's what you do. If you haven't bought, don't. Wait for the stock to settle in. There's actually, in my view, nothing wrong with this uptrend. You can see it's moving really, really nicely, but the stock just has gotten, as they say, ahead of itself. Based on this news, you wonder, okay, well, what's a catalyst for higher prices? Answer, can't think of anything. There is no real catalyst for higher prices. So what do? We don't do much. We wait and see. Similarly with Avis, you got an even a more bearish tone here because the stock moved way up and then is closing near the low of the day. But once again, there's nothing wrong with this trend. This is a stock I think you can be patient with. My bet is over the next few weeks, you'll still be able to get it at this price. So I want you just to watch Avis and Hertz. Give these stocks a little bit of time to consolidate, just like they've done so many times before. And I think you're going to be rewarded by still going long these stocks, just not right now. Okay, members, over to the strategy session.